The NGS closed on a flat note amid sell-offs and buy interest as the benchmark all-share index appreciated by 2 basis points. The all-share index closed at 47,163.94 points to reflect a growth of 0.02% from the previous trading day and a year-to-date return of 10.41%. If you look at the market capitalization increased by 3.98 billion at the close of market on Wednesday. The stock exchange market value currently stands at 25.42 trillion at the end of the trading session. But let's quickly look at in terms of volume and value. Meanwhile, volume declined by 11.86% and value went up by 3.21 billion naira in about 4,099 deals. But if you look at the top gainers for the day, looking at CAP gaining about 10% to close at 19 naira 80 kobo. You have Len Africa gaining about 9.6% to gain about to close at 2.17. Champions closed the day with 2 naira 4 kobo after adding up 17 kobo. Sterling Bank have about 6% in terms of 6 kobo rather, which went up by 3.94% to close at 1 naira 58 kobo at the close of the corn oil. Came in the top of the gainers there, weight about 70 kobo to close at 24 naira 70 kobo at the end of the session. But if you look at other company in the red, FCMB, Mutual Benefit Assurance, you have declining by about 7.41%, and FCMB losing about 32 kobo to close at 3 naira 35 kobo at the end of the day. ABC Transport declined yesterday by 6.25% to close at 30 kobo after losing about 2 kobo at the end of session yesterday. Farmadeco lost about 11 kobo yesterday. FTN Cocoa lost about 2 kobo to close at 32 kobo at the close of today. That's a representation about 5.88%. But if you look across the sectoral movement, looking at the NSE 30, NSE Banking, Insurance, Industries, NSE Oil and Gas and ASN Board at the close of yesterday. Well, the NSE Banking still continuing in the red yesterday with about 0.06%, and you have insurance sector also losing about 58.09%. Also, across all sectors yesterday, we're having a bit of a decline there, except for the ASN Board, which remained flat, relatively flat there. Now, a good time to bring in our analyst, regular analyst, Mr. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Investigator Consulting Limited. He joins us via the telephone now. Thank you, Mr. Ambrose, for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah. So if you look at the market yesterday, market recovers from two negative sessions yesterday by about 0.03%. So if you put that together in terms of money value, that's about almost about 4 billion naira at the close of yesterday. Give us some factors that drove the market or brought the market to positive territory at the close of Wednesday.
Yeah, actually, what was in market yesterday, I would say that when you see market decline for almost 5 or 6 days, they are back to the activities of the banking hunters to bring the market up because they have seen prices decline to active position. What there was a kind of investors or traders taking advantage of the pullback to position at the lower prices, knowing that we're still having more companies to react, and at the same time, many companies on the exchange are notifying the exchange and the public of their close period for first quarter earnings that is not due on at the 1st of March. And in this situation, where we're expecting that those that have December year end to submit their audit till the end of March 31st, and also companies that have December year end also submitting their first quarter in early April or the month of April. So these activities, because of this number, I think that earnings give insight on the result of a company. And being the first quarter earnings for the new year or the new financial year, investors are beginning to see this number to see where they can move their portfolio or rebalance their portfolio to know the economic situation that is happening globally and locally. For me, it's a good move yesterday. And today, yes, we saw the market index this morning crossing down around the 47,000 mark and bounced back because of price adjustment in GGB and other prices of stock that they declined this morning. But I believe also yesterday, at the afternoon yesterday, market was really in red. But before the close of yesterday, backing hunters and the afternoon traders came to the market. They changed the face of the market because we're coming closer to the end of the quarter, and also we know that end of the quarter comes with the addressing by portfolio managers. At the same time, we're expecting the company to release their actions. These are the factors that are in the market. Don't forget that as we're doing all this, people are also mirroring what is happening in Ukraine and in Russia. If any improvement in that therein will also influence the market positively. But I think that with the decision of the CBN or MPC meeting to liberate is a good thing for the economy so that we can sustain our recovery. And that is one we're looking at to see the economy data for the first quarter of the year in April. That also decides where the economy is going.
You talk about the fact that the market is back in the green zone this morning in early trading. So tell us more about that. Do we see some of the? Are you saying we're going to see the market sustain the rally witnessed the trading session yesterday?
Yeah, the market is likely to sustain that tempo. But we know that yesterday it was a huge market of flat trade, and this I also buying sentiment from market. Buying sentiment against the record selling position. So people are coming back. If you renew buying trade because of low price attraction, and not only that, that many companies are just to their public attraction. That is attraction now. For that, I expect the trend also to continue today. Despite that, some stock will be adjusted now. You know that one of the stock for dividend, like stock like the dividend now, if you're removing the for the price, that would affect the index. Yeah.
Now, this, of course, we're having the fourth trading day of the week. Yes, we also see, I mean, how much of impact the MPC, the outcome of the MPC, it's having on the market. Maybe you need to give us a bit of analysis of that. Did we see the market react to that decision of the MPC meeting in any way at all?
I speak now, like one thing that I work on circular flow of funds. In any financial market, interest rates are direct on where money goes, and also one of the things that get what higher return. As interest rates for enterprise investment change, it's going to be kind of disadvantage for the fixed income market because inflation is up at this time. And when inflation is looking up at this time, there are about to be adjustment in rate. And when the adjustment in rate, make an adjustment in rate, you need to also move on because when the adjustment in rate, they are about to be adjustment in rate. On that note, investors benefited that they should take position in stocks that I believe that we have fundamental dividend. That is what we're doing now. Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Ambrose, I want us to take a break in a moment. We'll be back to discuss more. Please just hang on there. Be back in a moment. Please stay with us. Glad to have you back now. This is Business Breakfast coming to you live from our studios here in Lagos, Nigeria's commercial capital. Mr. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invested Consulting Limited. Market. Looking at the market performance at the close of Wednesday and, of course, the outlook for the rest of the day and the week. Thank you for your time. Let's look at some of the top gainers for Wednesday's session. CAP, Len Africa champions, Sterling Bank, Conoil. Sterling Bank doing about, did about 6 kobo yesterday. That's about 9.95% to close at 158 kobo. In a long time, this is the first time I'm seeing Sterling Bank appearing in the top 5 gainers for the day. And what does the stock, have going for it? What's the support level the stock is enjoying?
Actually, if you remember, I'm saying that most of the financial sector, especially the banking industry, where there is consistent dividend payment for years. On that note, investors are looking at those banking stocks that are yet to release their numbers, which Sterling Bank is one of them. And not only that, also, Sterling Bank, as we speak now, has a dual business, in that the rim. They have a license for non-interest banking and also for commercial banking. She said that going to the future, this will boost Sterling Bank performance. Yes, we expect to see their audited account before the end of 31st of this month. If it comes and sustain a good performance, that will also support the price of what. She could say that just taking advantage of the low price because they are touching 172 and put back to 150, the 4% back for me. In better thing, I said that those prices, like I said, this 4 feet that market has suffered of this. So that attraction for banking hunters to come back to the market and provision for me. Banking person has started in the market for what consistently 10 payouts.
So does that suggest, therefore, that the stock or the shares of Sterling Bank is a good buy?
Yeah. For long-term investors,
Now, let's look at Conoil. Conoil plays in the oil and gas sector, and given the fact that we've seen some price surge in the price of crude oil, how much is the this particular stock or investors in this particular stock, reacting to the fact that the oil sector or the crude market internationally, it's rally on a green zone at the moment?
Actually, looking at the oil sector to speak about, there are 2 things there that is dragging the stock in the oil sector. As if you look at the unlimited account for that sector, most of the companies that have a good performance. And this union in Ukraine has impacted good and engine cookies, especially the one who and Czechland. But with the recent move after the NBC meeting on Monday, that the CPN bracket also intervene in this oil or fuel and diesel instead business of the certain chain that affected the price of this product that is limiting on the particular sector because of high cost of AGO. On that note, CBN have decided that in the last meeting that it is intervened. And don't forget that before now, NFTC said they are the ones importing fuel for Nigeria. So when we had the bad fuel, now it's because that they are referring to names that we are importing fuel. If that is what is happening, and CBN intervened in the sector, it's very important to us. Most of the companies in that sector will benefit from it because when we had bad fuel, we are referring for names that we are importing it. But before now, it was not clear that the dependencies of importing. But if they want to intervene, if they say that they are importing, they also have access to this one. And that would be that most of these oil companies that really are into importing of this fuel also benefit from it. But I think that in this year, we are seeing fuel price up, at the same time, we are seeing oil price in the international market, and we are seeing a better number of customers at the unlimited account for this company. I think that this sentiment will render. But technically, most of the stocks in that sector are looking good because they are repeating decline for a long time. That means they have what is supporting them. When you see psychology of investors, they're going towards company or a sector positively to also support the price of this company.
All right, let's flip to the other side now. ABC Transport was among the top 5 losers at the close of Wednesday section, losing about 2 kobo to close at 30 kobo. That's about 6.25% at the close of trading section. But then we've not seen enough activities from this particular stock I mean, what do you think informed the fact of not seeing some activities from this particular company?
For me, the price coming down is just market activity, just sentiment. But ideally, in a well-organized economy, where we are seeing that cost of transportation is high, and this as more than 90 transportation business, they are not going to look up into the future because most of the logistics here is being done by this company. Others are there, but the only listed one that we can see on the exchange is this and other companies like Very Express and the transmission wide express, which are where business are still transportation. But which transportation business which are the different location and different routes. For me, but the cost of diesel and the cost of energy also affected it because they are also even when they increase the price of the transportation or the fare, it also reduce number of traveling. For me, it's a mixed sentiment and this negative sentiment in terms of fundamental news as regard the high cost of diesel. You know that this is what most of the drivers are not those for their bosses. For me, in order to adjust the position, and not forget that most of the companies that are not giving stock that feature on that social side are bound to be there because investors are selling on most of their position to position for people that need to take dividends. Because knowing that the best match depends on all these companies earnings to hit the market. For me, it's good work for the market.
Let's wrap up with this. Yeah. Sorry, in 30 seconds, tell us what you think or the direction of the market for today. I have said that we've seen early rally or positive rally in the market today. So what is the market likely to end up with today?
Yeah, like I just said earlier that this morning, because of the price adjustment for dividend or what call it markdown for physical, the index crossed below the 47,000 mark, but back again above it now. Let's see what the market, but I think that we see in this market between now and